Under your course information link, in addition to having your syllabus and your course schedule, some faculty like to have a FAQ, a frequently asked questions. One tool to use for an FAQ is a wiki. In order to set up your wiki, you go into the control panel and you'll see a link on the left that says Configure Wiki Tool. And you can set a variety of settings, but one of the key features of the wiki is that it allows students and faculty to collaboratively edit a document. So this works out pretty well for an FAQ. You could even do an assignment where you have students post their own help to the wiki and then edit it together. So we can go through the settings. Do you want to allow students to edit the wiki? That's usually the purpose of the wiki, so by default that's yes. Do you want to allow students to permanently delete wiki pages? You can say yes, keeping in mind that depending on the activity, it could be a problem if students permanently delete the wiki page. However, the wiki does allow you to roll back to an earlier version of the document. Do you want to allow students to export? Yes. Do you want to allow students to view comments? Sure. Do you want to allow students to add comments to wiki pages? That's not always that valuable, but by default that's left at yes. You can also edit the time frames that you would allow students to edit it and to view it. So I'm going to go ahead and click OK. I have my wiki set up. And then I can go into a content area. Let's say, for example, let's go into course information. I'll set up my FAQ. I will go to the drop down on the right, select Wiki, click Go, and then I can name it. Let's just call it FAQ. I can add a description. Right now I'm going to skip that. If you want to make the wiki available, it is by default. You can also select groups or all course members or select course members. Now, I can change the default settings if I want. So if I wanted to allow students to permanently delete the page, export, view comments, I can set a time frame. I can also set it for non-members to view the wiki page, and I can even, if I want to, tie it to a gradebook entry, give the gradebook a name and possible points. In this case, since it's FAQ, I'm not going to use that. And then once I set that up, I can go into my new FAQ using the wiki tool, and I can add some instructions on how to edit the wiki. It says, please click here to begin editing this page, and I could add a welcome message. There's a variety of font tools. We could add bullets, we could add links, we could add images, and then when I'm done, I'll just hit save, and my wiki is ready to go.